Welcome back to the channel, New Bike Update 333. Today, we're taking a break from bikes to talk about the all-new 2025 Hyundai Santro, a car that's been generating a lot of buzz. Hyundai has taken its beloved compact car to a whole new level, offering a perfect blend of style, performance, and technology while maintaining its affordability and practicality. Let's dive into what makes the 2025 Santro such an exciting release. First off, the design of the 2025 Santro has seen a major overhaul. The car now boasts a modern, aerodynamic look with sleek lines and a bold front grille. The redesigned LED headlights and daytime running lights give it a premium feel, while the alloy wheels and dual-tone color options add a touch of sportiness. It's compact yet stylish, making it ideal for urban environments. Under the hood, the 2025 Santro offers a choice of two engine options. The base model comes with a refined 1.2-liter petrol engine, delivering smooth performance and excellent fuel efficiency. For those seeking a greener option, there's a 1.0-liter turbocharged petrol engine that's not only more powerful but also eco-friendly, meeting stricter emission standards. Both engines are paired with either a 5-speed manual or an automatic transmission, ensuring a comfortable drive regardless of your preference. Safety has always been a priority for Hyundai, and the 2025 Santro is no exception. It comes equipped with dual airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and a high-strength steel body for improved crash protection. Additionally, higher trims offer features like electronic stability control, hill start assist, and even a tire pressure monitoring system, ensuring peace of mind for you and your passengers. When it comes to practicality, the Santro continues to shine. It offers ample boot space for a car its size, perfect for weekend trips or daily errands. The fuel efficiency is impressive, with the petrol engine offering a mileage of around 20 kilometers per liter, making it a cost-effective option for everyday use. Hyundai has also focused on sustainability, with eco-friendly materials used in the construction of the car and enhanced fuel efficiency to reduce emissions. This makes the 2025 Santro not only a great car for you but also a better choice for the environment. With competitive pricing starting at around $8,000, the 2025 Hyundai Santro is set to be a game-changer in the compact car market. It offers something for everyone, whether you're a first-time buyer, a city commuter, or someone looking for a reliable family car. That's all for today's update. Let me know your thoughts about the new Hyundai Santro in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates. I'll see you in the next video.